What are we doing tonight?
Making our Christmas tree.
Making our Christmas tree, right?
Sorry. Decorating and putting up our Christmas tree.
So?
Yes.
What are we doing tonight, Kenny? Alright, so this is not like we haven't had like 50 different Christmases in the US. This is probably my, I don't know, 10th Christmas here.
Yeah, this is my third too, and that's Kenny's second.
Second Christmas, yeah. So we haven't really celebrated a lot of Christmas here. Where we are from, we do celebrate Christmas. But I wouldn't say we put priority on, like, my family didn't have a Christmas tree throughout my whole, throughout my whole childhood. I never really have a Christmas tree. Did this couple years now. I think this is probably my third year of having, or fourth year of having a Christmas tree, because even when I moved from Jamaica, I never really have a Christmas tree. You know what I mean? But anyways, we're gonna get this done. She's doing it, I think, the opposite way, because really and truly the skirting goes on last.
Hey, she does it her way.
Oh, it can't be the skirting goes on last.
Because look at those edges right there. What can you do? You can pull that in half. Exactly. So she's doing it opposite.
Yeah,
Again, she's not used to having a Christmas tree. It cannot be done that way.
I'm doing it the way that I want to do it.
It's not going to be possible. But let her try doing it that way.
Alright, let me show you.
I think we've convinced her that that piece goes on last, and she decided to she figured say it not gonna work. So they'll be doing this part of it. I'm just gonna be like, I'm gonna be the media to them. Me, a videotape and a commentate. So where exactly are we gonna put the tree? Nobody
Right here.
in front of the fireplace, right?
Yes.
Beside it actually, and then so we can have the fireplace on maybe. I don't know. What do you think?
It doesn't matter. Oh, this is our stocking.
Oh, we have a bunch of stuff in here. This is our first time putting it up. I think last year I did it, right?
No, I didn't.
Nope.
No, you guys did it together. You guys did
She
it.
only remembered thinking about doing it, but
He said he wasn't gonna decorate it, and I did it.
No. Actually, he did it, and then you get decorated. I think.
see, they don't know, you know. Them not convince me. Them not convince me saying me put it up. Me feel say me put it up last year still.
No, remember this day because he's gonna say he put up this one this way.
Oh yeah.
Last 2 years ago, I watched back the video and have proof. Hi. Last year he used.
Why don't we ask Alexa? Remind me 1 year from now that Cheryl put up the Christmas tree. That Cheryl put up the Christmas tree. Remind me 8 a.m. When we were kids growing up, the best part of Christmas was actually having the opportunity to go on the road and play around with your friends. You know what I mean? We used to have something, it's fireworks. We used to buy like little fireworks. We call them clappers as kids, and we used to just hang around in our block and just celebrate Christmas. That's what we used to do. And it was cool because, you know, we didn't have a lot, as I said. We just had ourselves. And another big part of Christmas was just to have your family either coming from the rural area, country we call it, or just family,
Foreigners.
or even local family, you know, just come by and have dinner.
Me they love the foreigners because they come out and they look nice and they never speak spooky.
Mm-hmm.
It was although it wasn't my relatives, it was always my neighbors. Theirs was mine.
Tell us a little bit about your Christmas back then, Cheryl.
Okay, well for me, as I said, I didn't have much, but it was like I enjoyed every bit of it. My mother couldn't bake, so that's another downfall. Everybody else was having nice Christmas cake, but she couldn't make a mean cereal. Yes, so she make up.
Cheryl turned up, but the cake never really ready.
But we didn't need.
Miss Brown, you hear them thing, yeah?
No,
Liberty.
she knows. So she's like so surprised now that I'm a baker. Because, you know, it wasn't brought down in that regard. Chanel, don't scroll up the lights like that. So, she now was again, she didn't bake, but I had to pitch in and ensure that everything runs smoothly in terms of, you know, the house, because she used to put up a lot of curtain. My mother changed sheets. When she used to make me get excited just to see. She had get me up. Sherry, get up. I said, why? She had stripped the bed then the night before
Christmas morning.
Yeah, because she wanted to wake up on a fresh sheet for Christmas. So we know that tomorrow Christmas, because that not normally happen. Yeah, she wash sheet with normally change with linens and stuff, but I mean for that day, you know that tomorrow Christmas. And then she used to make her get up, we go watch night.
What is watch night?
So watch night now is after Christmas when we are enter New Year. So watch night and we go church now, we go get little broth, as I'm gonna call it, little soup in our little cup.
I know.
Because it was back then we Jamaicans say it cold outside. So, you know.
Mind you, what, like 75 degrees?
Yeah. But we are freeze. But it was so fun. And then friend them broke pocket like me, you know. But they're rest in peace, Mrs. Rose. She's dearly, she was like a mother. People thought that she was actually my mother. Even the pastor thought that she was my mother at one point. She was the one who made me had a good Christmas and had many Christmas, because she used to go up on our rooftop in Waterford. Go on our rooftop and we rose, we sit down and we have food up there. She used to make like festival and all them different things, you know. We just sit down, we never have much, and we sit down on the rooftop and watch people pass, and we laugh, we make trouble, we talk that kind of story. And one thing that she said, that she died before, as I said, rest in peace. She told me that we didn't go foreign, and we just, I'm here now, and she didn't even know that I'm here.
The moment we've been waiting for.
Can I even reach?
Probably not. You may want to push your stool a little closer, miss. We might see the tree come down tonight. Let's see Mom help her out. There we go.
Yay! It's finished!
Little angel look like she is like flying sideways.
Yeah. Because the tree is like, yay!
Not bad. Perfect.
I'm so happy because we're done.
So the little one fell asleep, and we have finished our tree as we had plans to do so. It's a beautiful tree, but I want you guys to do something for us, and that is
Like
Share.
subscribe,
and hit that notification bell.
right? And remember to comment and tell us how our tree look. Did it make it or didn't it make it?
Well, we don't want to hear that. You made it.
I think it looks
Listen,
beautiful.
it is your opinion. What do you think about our tree?
Tree made it.
Is it too much or is it just
Right.
yeah?
Is it naughty? Is it
Well, we're glad we could share this moment. You guys have a wonderful Christmas. Stay safe.
Oh, and have a wonderful Christmas Eve.
Okay.